Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Paradise Beach, Greece. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And to all my returning viewers, great to see you again on the sunny Athens Riviera. Today, we're taking a relaxing walk through one of the most beloved seaside spots near Athens, Varkiza, a charming beach town where the sun feels warmer, the sea looks clearer, and life moves just a little slower, the Greek way. And while we walk along the coast, I'm gonna share a lot of useful tips, things that will help you if you ever travel here. Number 1, how to choose a good beach in Varkiza. Varkiza isn't just one beach. It's a chain of bays, coves, and long sandy stretches. Here's how to pick the perfect one for your mood. Water clarity. It's almost always crystal clear here, but the small rocky bays are especially stunning, especially early in the day. Waves, or calm sea. If you prefer still water, choose the protected coves. If you enjoy a light breeze and gentle waves, the long main beach is the place. Beach style. Want sunbeds, cafes, music, and cocktails? Pick an organized beach bar. Want quiet, space, and a more local vibe? There are plenty of public, free sections where you can lay your towel and relax. No rules, no pressure. Number 2, sunbed prices. What to expect? Prices depend on the season. April to May, 5 to 10 euros. June to September, 10 to 20 euros. Premium beach bars may charge 25 to 30 euros, usually including drinks or service. And yes, the free areas are totally free. Bring a towel, pick a spot, and enjoy the view. No rules, no pressure. Number 3, what to bring for a comfortable beach day. Locals always pack smart. Here's what they consider essential. A towel or beach mat, sunscreen, the Greek sun doesn't joke, flip-flops, the sand gets hot, water or iced coffee, frappe is a must, a light jacket for the evening breeze, and a snorkel mask. The water here is too clear not to explore. If you're staying all day, many Greeks bring a small cooler bag. Perfect strategy. Number 4, where to eat. Budget-friendly tips. Varkiza has fancy seafront restaurants, but here's the local secret. The cheapest, tastiest food is on the second line, just across the road. There you'll find pizzerias, gyros and souvlaki shops, bakeries with fresh pies, cafes with much cheaper coffee. And honestly, getting food to go and having a picnic right on the beach is a Greek tradition, and a great one. Number 5, local experience. How Greeks enjoy Varkiza. What they eat: watermelon slices, iced coffee, pastries from the bakery, gyros on the sand. How they relax: slow swimming, long conversations, shade breaks, lots of laughter, and no rush at all. Fun local features. The water is incredibly clear, especially in the morning. occasionally windy days, which make the sea dramatic and beautiful. Be careful near rocks. Sea urchins live there, so avoid stepping barefoot. Number 6. Emotions and atmosphere. The real Greek feeling. And now, as we continue our walk, try to feel the atmosphere with me. A soft, warm sun on your skin, a light breeze brushing your face, the relaxing rhythm of waves on the sand, the clean, salty smell of the sea. This is what people come to Greece for. Not just beaches, but peace, warmth, and that slow, happy summer feeling. Greece isn't just a place, it's a mood, a rhythm, a small piece of joy carried by the wind. Final words. Thank you, friends, for joining me on this walk through sunny Varkiza. If you enjoyed the atmosphere and the tips, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments, would you like to spend a day here? See you in the next Greek adventure, sending you sunshine, sea breeze, and a warm Greek smile.
I'm doing it.